Do you see this mess? This room's crazy. So let's turn this room around and turn it into a beautiful office space, well organized. The first step is to clear out the entire room. Before you go out and buy any bins or boxes, clear everything out, and then you're gonna start putting things into piles. You're gonna group by like kind so that you know exactly what you have in here and then what you will need to organize it. Start out with a few bins and label them. Toss, donate, and keep. And we've got to go through all of this. It's a little over 1,000 pounds. It took us an entire day and about 4 trips to the donation site. And I donated 15 gowns to Operation Deploy Your Dress. When setting up your space, decide how it's going to function. We're going to use this space as a studio and a home office. And triple your storage by using the vertical space. I'm telling you, behind the door is some prime real estate. Okay, so this is the before. It was a cluttered mess and we could barely walk in the room. And this is the after. Hello, gorgeous. So here are a few health benefits to having an uncluttered space. Decluttering improves your mental and physical health. It helps sharpen your focus, energizes your productivity, and relieves anxiety. Follow for more tips on turning your house into a home.